All right, drink we're about to make is called Anthony's Spur. We're going to serve this up in a martini glass, so put some water and ice in the glass. Let it sit while you're making your drink. It'll be nice and chilled for you. All right, put some ice in a mixing glass, and we're going to measure out 1.5 ounces of gin. We're going to follow that up with 1/2 ounce of dry vermouth and 1/2 ounce of sweet vermouth. And we'll give it a splash of orange juice. Now let's shake it up. Get everything very cold. Pour out your ice water. And go ahead and strain it in. There we go. And we'll garnish that with a nice big slice of orange. There you go, bottoms up.